and welcome to another Control Contractor video, where to start off with, we're going to talk about how the series got its name.
Yeah, so when they started out, we had the Control 1 and the Control 5, and these were compact studio monitors for outside broadcast bands and the like. They had mounting points on the back and points to grab your tie-offs on. That meant that people in the 90s went, okay, we can use these in installs such as high-end bars and fashion retail, and put subs with them, and off they went.
And where that installation market really took off, we were using them with contractors. Now, as that developed, we realised that we needed more directive speakers, more specialist speakers, and so as an example, we've got this Control 65 here, a pendant speaker. We use these in a number of installations, like the Texas A&MUNIVERSITY, where we actually use the bigger Control 67s and the Control 47 ceiling speakers. Now, this is a very directive speaker. Ben, what's the opposite of a directive speaker?
So the opposite of that, we have the Control HST, or hemispherical technology, which is over
there.
Yeah. So that's got two HF drivers mounted left and right, and those are on a waveguide which pushes sound across a wide area like a bar or shop front. The bass driver is mounted backwards and uses the wall as a baffle to do exactly the same, but with the LF to give you a coherent HF and bass frequencies together in a wider
It's all
coverage.
very clever stuff. We used those in an installation in London called Coal Drops Yard. It was part of a partnership that we did with the Samsung Experience Centre.
Yeah, nice.
Now, while we're using all of this clever technology, we're still not moving away from the fact that it's got this studio heritage, and they're all very high quality speakers, very high quality sound. And so in a hotel that we did some work with in Cyprus, we used about 2,000 of these speakers to partner up with a performance audio system.
Yeah, there were tons. So you've got a lovely performance audio system and a selection of the high-end premium ceiling and pendant products to continue that propagation of premium sound.
Now the thing is, you're even getting that high quality sound outside because you're using these speakers in the range, the Control...
That's an 88.
Control
That's
88,
the big one.
And then it's...
the little Control 85 down there, which is the smaller one.
Again, even though they look like they're from another planet, they sound like they're from a studio.
Yeah, absolutely. Fab little things.
Now, moving on to nightlife and sort of club quality sound, can the Control Contractor range party that hard?
Yeah, they can.
Yeah?
Yeah, obviously we have products, and to be fair, in Ryu Bar in India, we are using the high-end performance products for the main front of house system. But as we go and transition to the outside area of the bar, when we're going out into the rain, we've got the Control 28s with their WeatherMax grills on them, so we're keeping that sound but getting a nice weatherproof install speaker.
Now the thing is, if we really want to push it and use the Control Contractor for a front of house system itself, I'm going to let you say the name of this bar, Ben.
I hope this is right. It's Namnghi.
Well done.
Hopefully. Resort and club in Vietnam. We're using the really big one in the range, the Control 31. That's got a 10-inch bass driver, it drops to 33 Hertz and does 116 dB SPL continuous, which is quite a lot.
And even though I work for the company, I'm still impressed by the versatility of the range of the Control Contractor speakers.
Yeah, I'm quite impressed with the look of that bar. I think we do need to go out and work out how we can go and commission it or something.
Yeah, you need to look.